KRV.
245 is getting replaced. 245. I saw 245 here. Yeah, 245.
245 getting replaced. Oh.
Also be stuck.
Okay, guys.
Wait, so what's gonna happen? It's gonna go wrong rail into Yishun, Yio Chu Kang Sapa.
No, not Yio Chu Kang.
Ang Mo Kio. Ang Mo Kio
Oh, it's-
B. Ang Mo Kio B. Like Ang Mo Kio B.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Ang Mo Kio B or Ang Mo Kio?
No, but I thought sometimes they deploy from Yio Chu Kang.
No, they never deploy. There were times that they did it,
Oh,
but then
nowadays no. Oh, okay.
Not often.
not often. But there was one time last year they did, but that's it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You mean the one like what? Like really strong recorded that one.
Yeah, the Woody Chong one. Yes, it's that one. What is this? Oh, are we gonna miss it?
Oh, wait, is it KHI replace KHI? Is it own self replace own self?
High chance bro already. Shit bro.
It's arriving now. No.
Okay, never mind.
Record.
It's one of the, I think it's one of the new server that goes.
New video idea, okay guys.
Sure.
Second time KHI replace KHI moment bro.
Second.
My second time really mah. Because last time I catch you with Adam.
No, last time I just randomly called 083 card and replaced my bonus.
Tomorrow can make a documentary video already. Can post for CNY special. Five for some reason the DNI is set as 549. Most likely it's getting changed.
Hey, yours is 77 to me.
063 bro. Hey, second time of the day already. Second time already leh. Oh. STARIS or VFD or.
Is it the whole train or just this car?
Check. Jialat.
Doors are closing.
Oh, VFD show already.
This train will end at Khatib. All passengers, please alight and wait for the Indonesia. Interchange service intermediate modernization and proposed to directly within the guarantee are steadily reduced. This train service ends at this station. Please alight and board the next train. 这辆列车将在此停止服务，请下车并搭乘下一趟列车。Perkhidmatan kereta api ini akan berakhir di stesen ini. Silakan dan naik kereta api yang seterusnya. Interchange service intermediate modernization and proposed to directly within the guarantee are steadily reduced.
Passengers at airports Bisha, Ohio, City Hall, and the wind connecting train platform 3. Train at platform D is no longer for service. Thank you.
Oh, I think no problem. Second time of the day 了嘞 seriously 哦 sorry What is this?
This is